We're here. We made it with everybody. Woo!
Well, let's go in there. I want there, Mommy.
Okay, we're gonna go on the bus first, okay? We're gonna take the bus tour first. Woo! Get on the bus.
Cubic yards of concrete, 45,000 steel beams, 1 million steel bolts, amounting to almost 100,000 tons of steel.
Carrying a rocket. Keep an eye out for the crawler as we approach this area. And remember, we are visiting a working spaceport, so while the crawler may not stay in one area for very long, it's bound to be out here somewhere. Now, let me introduce you to my friend, John Giles, the crawler project manager.
I'm standing in front of crawler transporter number 2 at the Kennedy Space Center. Crawler transporter number 2 will be used for the SLS program to take the launch vehicle back and forth to the pad. We will begin by going underneath the mobile launcher. We'll pick it up, we'll take it over to the VAV. They'll then assemble the launcher.
We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things. Not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
Let's go do the tour. Wow, buddy, there it is. Wow. It's amazing. Let's wait for Dad. It's amazing. Go to the other side and you can see what it looks like on the inside. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Here, go run to the other side.
Whoa, look at that. Well, look at that.
Come here, buddy. Okay. That's amazing. So it's all the way back there. And it takes up the whole building.
Is Capcom. Apollo 11 is Capcom when Neil and Buzz
Mr.
landed
Charlie
on the moon.
Duke, he's been in
and,
space.
Then I flew on Apollo 16. I was back up on Apollo 13.
You have touched the moon. Congratulations.
Yes, if you do this, you can say, I've touched the moon.
Yep. You can say that you have touched the moon.
That's my hand. This is not
What does it feel like?
metal. It feels like metal.
It feels like metal.
Metal. I mean, you give it a go.
Wow.
It smells like water. It is water.
That's so fun.
No, I didn't. Look. No, I didn't. Look, I'm making it go there. I see the clear room. That way, through there. We need to hurry. Yeah, we have to find it. Too much stink. We have to go down. I found the theater room. We have to get to that theater room.
You want to sit on the couches? Miriam, you want to sit on the couches?
It's time to the next show.
12 minutes in. Amina.
You want to go film a little bit?
Hey, something happened.
Oh my gosh. You see that TV?
Nothing's on.
You're filming, you're good.
Amina.
On TV. You're on TV. You're on TV.
Yep, that's the plan. Hey guys, we're gonna go through the gift shop to the bus. No, there's another one. There's another gift shop. There's the big giant gift shop that's better than this one. Grady boy, let's go. Bye Grady, see you later. We're gonna pass through the gift shop this time, guys. We're going to the better gift shop. We're gonna pass through. Yep, the universe's largest gift shop. Here we go. Pass through. Excellent job, you guys. Excellent job. Did we make it through? Good job. We made it through. That's all you're ever
Hey, what were you saying about the cool kids sit at the back of the bus? We're on a different bus, going back to the visitors complex.
It's been a very busy year out here. Last year was very busy. They had 59 launches go up. This year they're hoping to double that number. So if you're ever in the area for a launch, you can always check on coming out here and watching one of the launches. Right up here to the left is one of the areas that we bring people to watch the launches go up from.
Oh, we need to check out the garden. Oh well.
So we usually average about two launches a week, sometimes 3.
Miriam, are you having a lot of fun? You want to film a little bit? Say, hey, Riley.
Since 2010, NASA's Commercial Crew Program has been working with American aerospace companies on creating cost-effective access to the International Space Station, or ISS, and other low Earth orbit missions. Launching from right here at Kennedy Space Center, astronauts can travel to the ISS aboard spacecraft developed by private companies SpaceX and Boeing.
We're not actually launching from up there.
Well, they don't have a launch today, but when they do, that's where they launch from.
Why is it so small?
Kennedy Space Center is surrounded by the Merritt Island National Wildlife
check out that
Refuge.
bird.
While the refuge in total
I
takes
can't
up
get it. Where?
140,000 acres, NASA only
man.
occupies about 7,000 acres.
Building's
Other
bigger,
than the
but
few launch
it's
pads
so
and facilities that can be spotted across
Why
the
is it so
horizon,
small?
this area remains a refuge.
There's supposed to be alligators in there.
Of plants and animals.
Yeah. It looks like an alligator territory, like crazy. Oh, that's.
Grady and Eleanor, let's go, Miriam, let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Eleanor, let's go. Grady, let's go. Bye, Grady. Bye, Grady. Let's go. You just got left.
Whoa.
Thank you.
I smell popcorn and I don't like popcorn.
Me too, man.
Are you crazy? Are you nuts?
Oh, is it? Okay. Oh. But this is why I smell popcorn.
This is popcorn. Follow me to the
Lego exhibits. You can get one thing.
I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna get this.
You're gonna get that? That's a good choice.
I'm gonna. I'm gonna.
That's a good choice.
I'm putting this back.
The amazing gift shop.
Yeah, 3, 4 kids.
Bye, Racket Garden.
Yeah, in July. Bye, bud.